Björn.
Ja.
Den brittiske ekonomen Mark Boyle ska leva 1 år utan pengar som någon form av experiment eller manifestation och så vidare. Klarar vi oss utan pengar, tror du?
Jag har hört att Island håller på att testa en liknande grej.
Ja, just det. Men du, alltså, vad är viktigt att tänka på när man inte har pengar? Vad är det första man ska...
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
This one time. I was raping this homeless guy.
But...
When I suddenly noticed he got a couple of beautiful hands. You won't believe it, Anders. Beautiful. So I suddenly stopped in my position. I asked him, excuse me, sir. And he said, yes, mister. And I was, it's a couple of beautiful hands you got there. I yelled at my butler, Charles. Okay. So Charles, he just ran in and he cut his hands off, and I used them as gloves. And then I suddenly noticed when I took the gloves on, he was missing a finger. So my little finger was out in the cold. You won't believe it.